this tutorial, we will show you how to create a small felt beret. There are two ways to make felt from wool, which is a process called felting. We will use the first method, which requires the use of soap and water to make the hat. The second method will be used for the decoration of the hat with a needle. The two methods are different, but the principle is the same. With the appropriate friction, temperature, and humidity, the wool fibers will twist to create felt. The water felting is an irreversible process. For the needle felting, you can use any type of needle. By sticking the needle repeatedly in the wool fiber, it will agglomerate and become rough. You can make round, square, and even triangular shapes. To make the hat, you will need several different colors of wool, a large sheet of bubble wrap for increasing the friction, a spray bottle filled with water, a bar of soap, and a transparent net or cloth to hold the soap. This helps to get more foam. During the felting process, you need to create a certain amount of foam. If you add too much water and not enough foam, it will be hard to get the right texture. A brush like this one. Note that you can buy pre-mixed wool or mix it yourself using the brush. A container for the soap to foam in. You'll also need a pair of scissors and foam like this, which will help you stitch the wool without damaging the needles.